Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I eat for lunch, and this is chicken fried rice. It is so yummy and easy to cook, and it just takes 14 to 15 minutes. Come, let's see how to do this. Let's start cooking. Keep pan, let it get heated. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Add cumin seeds. Now I'm going to add sliced onion. Add green chili. Now the onions turn brown, so now I can add the chopped green beans. I'm adding the green soybeans. And now I'm adding green peas. Saute it well. Now I'm going to add the chicken. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add half a cup of water. Let this boil for 5 to 8 minutes. So the chicken is cooked now. Now I'm going to add the cooked rice. Mix well. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to garnish with coriander leaves. So our chicken fried rice is ready to eat. Now I'm going to eat this with the ketchup. So as you can see, the cook time is just 14 to 15 minutes. So if you come home after tired workout from your gym or your home workout, you can just cook this in just 15 minutes and you can have. Thank you. If you like